now to another round of breaking update, and this row seems to be over a remark that has been made by an RSS leader. Muslims must do Surya Namaskar. The storm is over. Dattatreya Hosable's remarks, where he seems to have where he says that India's age-old cultural practice must be deeply connected with nature and environmental conservation that has transcended religious boundaries.
धर्म के नियम को पालन करना चाहिए। यह अपने पूर्वजों ने बताया धर्म क्या है। इसलिए जब हम हिंदू धर्म कहते हैं, यह मानव धर्म है। ये जो हमारे पूर्वजों ने कहा है, दुनिया में किसी भी देश के लोग पालन कर सकते हैं। अपने अपने पंथ को रखकर नमाज पढ़ने वाले हमारे मुस्लिम बंधु भी पर्यावरण की दृष्टि से नदी की पूजा करे तो क्या बिगड़ता है? वो सूर्य नमस्कार करे तो हम कोई विरोध करने वाले हैं क्या? वो प्राणायाम करेंगे तो गलत है क्या? नहीं है।
Well, Adeep, the statement that is now coming in from the RSS leader, in particular, seems to be stressing that worshipping nature is actually part of India's cultural tradition and that practices are not harmful to anyone, irrespective of any religion or faith they follow.
Well, certainly, Medasi, this is what the RSS leader, he's the General Secretary of RSS, Dattatreya Hosable, and he's, while speaking in an event in Gorakhpur, he's suggesting that even the Muslim friends who offer prayers, they can worship the river and there's no harm in it. And if they're going to worship the sun, there's no one is going to oppose them. This is what he's suggesting to them, keeping in the mind that the environmental facts that they can do. So this is why he has given a suggestion in an event during an event in Gorakhpur. But there are several clerics in the state of Uttar Pradesh who are opposing to the RSS leader, saying that the Muslims cannot worship anyone apart from their God, and that's why they are objecting to the remark that Dattatreya Hosable has made.
And Adeep, you know, he's also described as Surya Namaskar as a sequence of yoga poses such as scientific and health oriented, and the RSS leader is of the opinion that people are free to follow any faith, but by them they should actually prioritize human religion. In the meantime, let's also play out the counter that is now coming in from certain clerics who are calling out the RSS leader's remark on the Muslim faith. People who follow and abide by the religion must also do Surya Namaskar.
ये हिंदुस्तान आज़ाद है और सभी धर्मों के यहाँ मानने वाले लोग रहते हैं। जिसको जो करना है वो कर सकता है, लेकिन हमारा मानना ये है कि हमारा जो परवरदिगार है, जिस खुदा को हम मानते हैं, उसी खुदा की हम इबादत करते हैं, उसके अलावा किसी की इबादत नहीं करते हैं।
एक नदियों की भी पूजा की बात करते हैं, कितने सहमत हैं इसमें?
इनसे हम सहमत नहीं है। जिसको करना है वो कर लें, लेकिन मुसलमान, क्योंकि मैंने पहले भी कहा है, मुसलमान सिर्फ एक अल्लाह को मानते हैं, उसी के सामने अपने माथे को टेकते हैं, अपने पेशानी को रखते हैं और उसी की इबादत करते हैं, उसके अलावा किसी की इबादत नहीं करते हैं।
Well, this debate usually lives on when we mark and celebrate when it comes to World Yoga Day, but this time the debate seems to have been reignited. Adeep, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.